Hi Beth, how are you? Congratulations on your SAT score and getting accepted into Harvard. I know you didn't get a scholarship, but you took the SAT after studying with an academy in your town of Chicago, Illinois, and you had an 1175. And after only 2 months with me, you're up to 1520 already, and you're going to go to Harvard. I'm sorry you didn't get the scholarship, but and it's expensive, Harvard, but it's a good investment. And I don't know what else to say. I'm happy to be with you at the moment you open up the letter, and I'm glad that we made such a difference in your score. I know that where you live there are lots of private SAT teachers and also academies like Princeton and Khan, and also in your school where you go, a super expensive high school, they have SAT classes. But I think we do a better job, and you can see from your score that we do a better job at less money, although we do it by Skype. The key is you want a good job. It doesn't matter whether the teacher's in your house or by Skype or in your high school or in an academy. You want results, and that's what we've given you. I also want to thank you for recommending us to your friends where you live. One of your friends lives in Los Angeles, another one in Coral Springs, Florida. I don't know how you know those people, but the money's coming in and we're doing a good job with them too. Maybe you'll meet them at Harvard, although the girl in Florida wants to go to Gainesville. And the other one who lives out in California is shooting more for Stanford and Berkeley, a kind of Harvard on the West Coast. And Gainesville is kind of like a Harvard in Florida, super high SAT scores. But again, I told your parents, you didn't get the scholarship, and it's going to cost about $200,000 to get you through Harvard for 4 years. But your parents are, implantologists. They make plenty of money. They can afford it. Okay, I live here in Spain, and I, prepare people for SAT who live here in Spain physically in my class, or by Skype. I have students in Madrid, other cities, or in Bolivia, Tokyo, Israel, El Cairo, New York, Staten Island, New Jersey, Tampa, Florida, and, other places around the world, thanks to Skype, and thanks to, that book, which really helps a lot. Remember, the SAT score in math, the reason you did so... The reason you did so much better, I think, was the math, because, most people in the math are kind of stupid. They take the pencil and start working on the problem to calculate it, and they get the right answer, but then they run out of time and pencils down. What you have to do is, before you even pick up a pencil, read the choices, look at the picture, and you can probably just eliminate 3 of the 5 choices immediately, and you get the right answer by noticing that it's really a trick. That's in most of the questions, and when we taught that to you, we saw your score go sky high. The other academies where you live, or these other private teachers who come into your house, they have you muscling through the exam, getting the right answer, but you don't work with a clock. And you'll see that on the SAT math, you don't have a lot of time. Most people run out of time. They still have 15 or even 20 questions left, and they just write B, 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 which is wrong. It's never B, okay? But we taught you something that I think had excellent profit for you, that don't pick up that damn pencil. Okay, look at the choices and eliminate it. Sometimes you can guess an answer, a circle with an angle inside. You can guess how many degrees are in that angle and eliminate the other choices, and then you have a 50-50 chance. But with a little trick, using trigonometry, a shortcut, we can help you get the right answer. So again, I'm sorry you didn't get the scholarship to Harvard, but I'm so happy you got in. I went to Harvard. I have a PhD in education from there from like 35 years ago. And I will see you there, okay? Because I have friends who are teachers at Harvard and law school and medical school and in the education department, of course, as that's where I have my degree. But again, good luck on everything, and congratulations. And if you know someone who needs an SAT teacher, have them contact me. It's really easy to get me. You know that, right? Just get me at Levi Hello on Skype and bank transfers, and you're going to go to the best school possible. Take it easy.